All right, here's what we're going to do today. We're going to take this cedar log and we're going to cut rounds off of it and turn them into coasters. Okay, so here's all the rounds, and some of these are kind of a neat shape, but what I'm worried about is if you set a cup there, the water's going to run down in there and then run up underneath your coaster and onto your finish of your table and sit there and mess your finish up and you wouldn't know it's there. So I may turn these into trivets or something like that so I don't have to worry about water. So I'll probably look at these solid ones. And so the next thing I'm going to need to do is get the bark off of them. And so just going to take a knife and peel the bark off. Okay, so that's got the bark knocked off, and they're nice and smooth from the miter saw, so I'm not even going to sand them. They just need a coat of polyurethane on them and they'll be ready to go. All right, I'm just going to hit this with some Minwax polyurethane. Well, here it is finished. It's got a coat of satin polyurethane on it, and I think this will make a very serviceable coaster. Hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you for watching.